Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to add admins to your Facebook page. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to add admins to your new Facebook page? Well, this video is for you, so stay tuned. All right, so we are now on the Facebook homepage with your page, right? So what you want to do is click on your profile here on your account, and then click on this, right? To go to your profile. In your profile, click on manage. It's between promote and edit. This one, manage. In manage on this professional dashboard on the left side, scroll down until you see um, page access under your tools, page access over here. And then click on add new. Click next. So you just need to put the name on the search bar here so that you could make them new admins of your page. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.